Hurricane Melissa has now tied the record as the strongest hurricane ever measured. That's according to a new report from the National Hurricane Center, which showed Melissa reached a catastrophic peak intensity of 165 knots or 190 miles per hour just before making landfall in Jamaica. This is an increase from the previous wind speed of 185 miles per hour reported in the immediate aftermath of the hurricane. The National Hurricane Center issued its final report on Hurricane Melissa on Wednesday, confirming what many had already thought. Melissa was not the typical Category 5 hurricane. The report showed that the hurricane set several records. First, it broke the global record as the highest instantaneous wind measured by the dropsonde weather device at 290 knots. The previous record was set by Super Typhoon Maggie in 2010. Another notable update is that the maximum sustained winds estimated by the reconnaissance aircraft were increased from 185 miles per hour to 190 miles per hour, though the Jamaica landfall wind speed of 185 miles per hour was unchanged. This means that Hurricane Melissa is now tied with Hurricane Allen in 1980 for the strongest winds ever measured in an Atlantic hurricane. Hurricane Allen never made landfall, but it killed more than 220 people in Haiti with high winds and flooding. The storm later made landfall as a Category 3 storm near the border of Texas and Mexico. The report also showed that Melissa tied with Hurricane Dorian in 2019 as the strongest hurricane to make landfall. As for the wind pressure, at maximum strength, Melissa's pressure dropped to 26.34 inches of mercury, 892 millibars, tying with the Labor Day hurricane of 1935 for the third most intense Atlantic hurricane ever observed. Overall, the report said Melissa is responsible for 95 deaths, 45 in Jamaica.